Hi, friends. Today we're going to be reading a Mo Williams story called Waiting is Not Easy. Have you ever had to wait for something before? Waiting's not fun, is it? Sometimes I have a really hard time waiting in line at a store when I'm ready to buy something and there are people in my way. I get so frustrated when I have to wait. Sometimes when I'm making cookies and I put them in the oven and I set the timer for 10 minutes, it's really, really hard for me to wait on eating the cookies. But sometimes we have to wait for things until they're ready. But that doesn't mean that waiting is easy. As we read this story, I want you to pay attention to how Elephant feels when Piggy tells him that he has to wait. All right, let's get started. Waiting is not easy. There's Elephant and Piggy. Waiting is not easy. Gerald! I have a surprise for you. Yay! What is it? The surprise is a surprise. Oh. Elephant seems confused. Is it big? Yes. Is it pretty? Yes. Can we share it? Yes. I cannot wait. You will have to. Oh no, Elephant doesn't look very happy about having to wait. Wait! What? Why? The surprise is not here yet. So I will have to wait for it? Yes. Oh, groan. How does Elephant feel? Is he very happy that he has to wait? Oh, well, if I have to wait, I guess I will wait. I am waiting. But waiting is not easy. Piggy, I want to see your surprise now. I am sorry, Gerald, but we must wait. Oh, groan. I am done waiting. I do not think your surprise is worth waiting for at all. Uh-oh. How does the Elephant feel? He's not being very nice to his friend Piggy, is he? I will not wait anymore. How did that make Piggy feel? That made Piggy feel sad. He was trying to do something nice for his friend. Okay, I will wait some more. I promise it will be worth it. Gerald came back. Groan! Oh man. He's getting louder and louder. He's getting more frustrated. Piggy, we have waited too long. It's getting dark. It's getting darker. Uh-oh. Gerald doesn't seem very happy. Soon we will not be able to see each other. Soon we will not be able to see anything at all. We have wasted the whole day. Uh-oh, there goes Gerald again. He's not being very nice. Well, we have waited and waited and waited and waited. And for what? For that. Oh, wow. What are they looking at? Look at all the stars. Wow, Gerald said, this was worth the wait. I know, Piggy said. Tomorrow morning, I want to show you the sunrise. I can't wait. The end. Was it easy for Gerald to wait? No, it wasn't very easy. He was sad, he was frustrated, and he hurt Piggy's feelings. But what happened at the end? Did he like the surprise? He did. So if you wait patiently, sometimes good things and good surprises can happen. And both Piggy and Gerald felt very happy at the end of the story. I hope you liked today's story. Waiting is not easy. If you liked it, please leave a comment and let Miss Whitley know that you liked it. Hope you have a great day.